In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your data in Google Sheets using cleanup suggestions. We're going to keep this simple and efficient so you can quickly tidy up a messy sheet without manual work. First, make sure you're on a desktop browser and open Google Sheets with the spreadsheet you want to clean. Having the sheet visible on your screen will help you immediately see the changes as they happen. At the top of your spreadsheet, look for the menu bar and click the Data menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps its data tools, including the cleanup features we'll use. From there, hover over Data Cleanup and then select Cleanup Suggestions. The moment you open it, a panel appears on the right side of your screen. Google Sheets will automatically scan your sheet and generate smart suggestions for cleanup. You don't need to run anything manually. It analyzes the data for you. In this panel, you'll see suggestions like removing empty rows or columns that are just taking up space, fixing inconsistent formatting, and addressing possible data inconsistencies. Depending on your sheet, you might also see suggestions related to duplicate entries or extra spaces that can cause sorting and matching issues. Think of this panel as a quick diagnostic report that helps you spot and resolve common problems in one place. When you're ready to act, click any suggestion in the panel to apply the change. Sheets will show you what it plans to modify, and with a single click, it will make the update for you. Work through each suggestion at your own pace. If a recommendation doesn't apply to your situation, you can simply leave it as is and move on. The goal is to accept the fixes that improve accuracy and readability while skipping anything that doesn't make sense for your dataset. As you apply changes, keep an eye on your sheet to confirm everything looks correct. If you change your mind, you can always undo recently applied fixes using the undo command. When you've reviewed all the suggestions, your sheet should be cleaner, more consistent, and easier to analyze or share. That's all there is to it. Open Google Sheets, go to the Data menu, choose Data Cleanup, and let cleanup suggestions guide you through quick, reliable improvements. Use this feature anytime you import data, merge lists, or notice inconsistencies. It's a fast way to keep your spreadsheets organized and trustworthy.